Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy PapaTitos, and today we have a brand new graphics pack for you guys. It is called Radiant. This pack contains over 650 layers, 85 groups, and a total of a 1 GB file. This is created by me. It contains a whole lot of high quality assets, and the pack is also in 2K quality. Usually they're in like 1920 by 1080 quality. So I made it a little bit better for you guys. The next pack will be in 4K, but everything is self-made, and the purpose of it is to try to improve your work and help you guys out. If you guys do have any questions or concerns or want to support the pack in any way, it's to DM me on Twitter at PapaTitosRA. There's also a couple different bundles and PSDs along with my other packs and logo pre-mades. Oh yeah, and link will be in the description down below if you guys do want to go purchase it. But anyways guys, enjoy the showcase.
Shit can get dangerous, yeah. Shit can get dangerous, yeah. You stand with that lame bitch, yeah. Well, I'm staying with the gang bitch, yeah. Like, ooh, and they gon' stay by my side. Like, why don't you stay on your side? Like, ooh, girl, you always switching sides. Need to get out my life and go get a life, bitch. You just mad, you my side, bitch, yeah. And that chop on my sidekick, yeah. And we stay solving crime, bitch, yeah. Cause your next hoe and my ex-hoe, and she still sending shit like EXO. I ain't stupid, I don't play like no dummy. Yeah, fuck bitch, get money, oh. Hey, cause I'm doing blow. They probably thinking I sold my soul. When you come through, yeah, you better go slow. Cause shit can get dangerous, yeah. Shit can get dangerous, yeah. Staying with that lame bitch, yeah. But I'm staying with the gang bitch, yeah. Like, ooh, and they gon' stay by my side. Like, why don't you stay on your side? Like, ooh, girl, you always switching sides. Need to get out my life and go get a life.
Did I mention I'm a trap star? I got the chopper in a Billy, that's a fast car. She a thotty, ride a sloppy like it's NASCAR. Reaching for my dick, that's my clock, that's my clock. She didn't tell me she was evil. Get that money, then I throw it to my people. I was flipping packs, up the bells to the people. Face feeling funny on the sands, gotta reload. I ain't never gon' change, bitch, yeah. So the pole, keep a thing, bitch.